remote control stunt motorcycle without auxiliary wheels. It is super mini and convenient to be carried around. It has three core colors, orange, blue and yellow, and can be controlled by infrared rays. You can turn left and right to avoid obstacles. It is featured with sharp turn and drifter functions. It can turn somersaults, make jumps, and nothing. Le Yu racing motorcycle is applied in three colors, orange, blue and yellow. First you open the carton package, remove the manual and USB cables, and then remove the remote control and the motorcycle one by one. Open the battery cover on the back of the remote control and install three HK bottom batteries into it. The motorcycle must be fully charged prior to any operation. A charging interface is located in the rear of the motorcycle. Insert the USB plug into the computer's USB slot. If the USB indicator is always on, it indicates that it is charging notes. When charging, the motorcycle switch should be off. Usually by charging time is 30 minutes. When the power indicator is off, it shows that the charging has been completed and the charger can be disconnected. In our remote control, there are three gears with different frequencies, which allow three children to play the game together.